It doesn't feel right to move forward with my channel without first sharing a couple of life updates with you. So if you have been paying attention, you probably saw that I did not post any videos last week on my channel. And I had been talking to my mom earlier this month just about all of the things that were on my plate, all of the things that I needed to do. And I was starting to feel a lot of stress, and she suggested that I do what I had done in years past, which was to take the entire month of October off and just to rest and kind of refresh and to work then with a clear mind and accomplish the things that I wanted to, but I didn't really feel that a whole month was necessary, especially to do what I wanted to do. But it did make me consider taking some time off. And then I told my patrons that I was considering taking the week of my birthday off. And since they all agreed that would be a good thing for me to do, it kind of just made me feel like I had that permission to do so, even though I know I didn't need that, but it just made me feel better about doing that and giving myself the permission to then take the week off of my birthday. So last week I celebrated my 41st birthday, and it just felt really good to take an entire week off, not to have the pressure, but I had a specific goal in mind that I wanted to accomplish, and that being to publish my next book, The Lady of the House Handbook, by my birthday. And that was exactly what I was able to do, and it just felt so good to do that. So this book is now available on Amazon.com, and I have it linked in my description box below, as well as in the About section of my YouTube channel. And this is The Lady of the House Handbook, Making the Everyday Beautiful, inspired by Nikki. So what this is a detailed description, basically, and just my thought process behind the Lady of the House method, which is what I share so much about on my channel. And it has a couple of extra things in there as well. And then that Lady of the House method checklist that I have in my life books, I put that at the very end. That way, if that was something that just at a glance what you wanted to see, your daily focus, things like that, it's in here. But in the beginning, or the first part of the book really, this is broken up into two parts. But the very first part is what you would, well, there's a lady to lady, so there's a letter to the lady of the house, an introduction, and then also it goes into the everyday, which is part 1, and then there's a part 2, which is the housekeeping portion, in addition to a couple of other chapters in there that have to do with some other things that I wanted to include. So I'm going to be giving one of these away to one of you. So if you will please, in the comment section, let me know, what is the next book that you think I should write? The Lady of the House, fill in the blank. If you will do that, you will be entered to win the Lady of the House Handbook. Of course, this is just for the United States, so that's what I can do right now. Although this book is available worldwide. Thank you so much for participating and for showing your support in all of these different things that I share on my channel, whether it's this or the Lady of the House Inspirations, Volume 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2, and then now the Lady of the House Handbook. I also have the Lady of the House Life Book and Diary available as well. That's the diary, and then the life book is below. So all in all, that made for a really wonderful birthday week, because I had hit the publish button at 1 o'clock in the morning, and by 11 o'clock p.m. it was live on Amazon. So just really was wonderful. My husband had scheduled us to go to a birthday dinner that evening, and my brother and my sister-in-law came into town. My mom was in town. My dad was here. All of my kids were here, and of course, Jorge. So we just really enjoyed a wonderful dinner together, and it just made me stop and consider everything that I have and the blessings that God has blessed me with, where I'm at right now in my life, and just there was so much to be thankful for. You know, when you sit there and you count your blessings, they're countless, really. So anyway, it was a good birthday, and then to enjoy the whole week of not having a lot of extra things to do, and I could focus on some other things. I was really focusing on the Lady of the House Legacy magazine. So that is scheduled to post in November. It's the November issue, and I'm looking forward to that as well. So if you would like to read the Lady of the House Legacy digital magazine, that's available over on Patreon, and if you become an heiress, you would have access to that and all prior issues of the Lady of the House Legacy magazine. So, and then of course, any additional videos that I create over there and post over there, you would have access to as well. So with that being said, oh, and then the rest of the week, like we went to Vegas at the end of the week. Friday and Saturday we were in Vegas, and we got to see friends and just enjoy our time. So that was just a real blessing. So now that my cup is full and I am here, oh yes, and it was also our anniversary week. So we celebrated our 21st wedding anniversary, and it gave us the opportunity to just consider where we are, how much has changed within the past year, and you know, different goals that we have moving forward, but just goals that we were able to meet up to this point. And something that Jorge said just really stuck with me and made me feel so good. He was talking about just how happy he is with his job. He's in a new position now. He is a supervisor, and it's like everything that he had worked toward is just where everything that he had worked for and toward in years past, it's just all like made sense now, and he's in this position that he just enjoys so much. His coworkers are wonderful. He enjoys his time with them. This is something that I had actually stressed about a lot, especially in the decision to move. And I've received a couple of questions here and there about, you know, whether or not when you make a big decision like that, if you feel like, you know, it's the right one. And hearing him say that and everything that led us to where we are today, it just all felt like it was part of God's plan, that it was right. And we're just so thankful and feel so blessed to be where we're at right now. So we have this really big goal that we've been working on, and we're this close to meeting it. And I look forward to sharing that with you when the time comes. But I don't want to speak about it prematurely, but I do want to just share that with you and let you know how much I enjoy sharing these little life updates and these goals that, you know, at one point I was sharing all of these goal videos with all of you. But if you would share one of your goals that maybe you've met this year, if you would share that in the comments below, I would really love to read about it. Those kind of things always inspire me. But I just want to thank you for being here. Thank you for showing your support in all the ways that you do, for all the birthday wishes that you've given. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Welcome to Inspired by Nikki.
On today's episode, getting a scorpion out of the deep end in the middle of October.
Did you get it? He's gonna get it before you.
Don't steal my glory.
Deep sea diving. You failed. You failed.
That's what I was afraid to touch.